houses, they're running to each other, but I don't know if
I didn't even know I was recording. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Nettemariettee, and I'm back with another video.
I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love.
And right now, I'm in Dallas, Texas for Ricari, my brother. He got like a football tournament going on or something like that. So I'm gonna be vlogging. I wasn't gonna vlog at first. But I guess I will. I got my nails done yesterday. Period. I look crazy. I'm gonna take this hair out soon and get something else done because it's time to be done again. I don't know if y'all can hear me though because it's super loud, but y'all, I got a burrito from Moe's and this is my first time getting one. But I tell you that thing was so good. Well, it's still something left, but I'm full already. That was big. I might insert a picture because I took a picture, or it might be on the thumbnail so y'all will see, but I still got some left or whatever. We're just at the airport right now, I think for a shuttle. I don't know, but I'm gonna see y'all when some more interesting going on. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a room tour. I'm gonna give y'all a room tour. Hold on. So if y'all didn't know, this is my apartment. I'm moving to Dallas, Texas, and I just bought this apartment. I just want to say thank you for all 100,000 subscribers, because it wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for y'all. So thank you, because this wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for y'all. So I just want to let y'all know my appreciation. And yeah. Hey y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all my new apartment tour or whatever. Furnished. Yeah, my furnished apartment or whatever that I'm gonna be staying in. And if you guys didn't know, like I said, I'm gonna turn this way because the light is better. Oop, y'all see an apartment. Hold on. Whoa, let me go to the door. If y'all didn't know, I moved to Dallas, Texas. So I'm just gonna show y'all the whole apartment. Okay, so this is the outside of the door. Not gonna show y'all my room number because I don't want to get stalked, but yeah. Okay, so you walk in, and right in front of you, you see the living room area. This is the keys in my hand, not too much. Let's set them down. Okay, so right in front of me, you see the living room area. Get a better view this way. So this is the living room. Don't mind the stuff over there, just got settled in. And then this is the door. And over here is my little table, office table, little office area. I can do my work over here. Got a phone. Yeah, to call the down desk people or whatever. I have this beautiful lights right here. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that on for the video. Then I have my refrigerator, Whirlpool, freezer. Haven't went shopping yet. Then I have my nice refrigerator. So yeah, I'm gonna be filling this up with y'all as well. Over here, this is my kitchen area. Yes. So sink, you know, trash, dishwasher, electric stove. Yes, electric. Coffee maker, microwave, nice and clean. Got my cabinets, plates. Yeah. And then right over here next to the kitchen is in front of the couch is like a nightstand kind of, you could say, with the TV. And then this is my bedroom. These two doors, I like how it's separated and it closed from this area to this area. Let's cut this light off because you know, pay the bills and stuff. Yeah, okay. And then you walk in And this is the room. I was laying in the bed, so I don't mind how the bed looks or whatever. But this is the room part, okay? Nightstand or whatever. More of my bags. Trying to see, should we go this way first or this way? I'm gonna go this way because it's the room. Nightstand right here as well with the TV. Nice little view over there. Another little nightstand over here. And then right behind the 2 doors is a mirror. Hey y'all. And then over here is the bathroom. I'll turn on the lights so I can see. Oh, wrong light. Sorry, y'all. Nice mirror. Very nice mirror. Got my stuff set out already. Trash can. I love the floor. Love it. Love it. I love the mirror as well. Period. And then behind me is a closet. Just for me. Nice. Just for me, you know. One person. And right here is the bathroom. This is the light for the bathroom. Nice bathroom, y'all. When I say nice, I mean nice. Like, look at this. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Nice shower curtain. I'm gonna get a new window, y'all. Towel. Yeah, I'm gonna get some decorations and get like a rug in here and stuff. But yeah, nice little portrait of. And then I have another closet for. Wait. Okay. Just gonna close that one. Why don't they have this locked? Anyways, there. And then you come out the bathroom. You know. Yeah. Out these 2 doors. Living room. So yeah, it's real nice. I love it. I hope you guys love it as much as I love it. It's gonna be way more content coming. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. Nice outside view, very nice. Let y'all look at the view from my room. But yeah, real nice. And it's a pool also in my neighborhood, so I'll show y'all that when I go down there. But I just wanted to show y'all that little tour or whatever. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had tried to do a tour earlier in the video, but it was a lot going on. My family was over trying to help me move all my stuff in and stuff like that. So I couldn't really record. But y'all will see a clip of that. It's gonna be very chaotic, so I'm probably not gonna put all of it in there because I tried to do a tour, but like everybody was just everywhere, like my brothers and my mom, like. So yeah, hope you guys liked it, and I'm gonna see y'all when I do something else a little bit more interesting. So yeah. Hey y'all, I took a good little nap, but right now I'm finna go to Walmart and, you know, shop a little bit for my new apartment. So y'all gonna come along with me, help me find some stuff for my apartment, you know. Period. I look crazy. Like I said, do not mind that. This whole vlog, I'm gonna say that. Like, I'm gonna keep saying, even if y'all don't think, y'all don't agree with me, blah 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 blah. Me personally, I look crazy. Stop it. Watch out. But get my mom purse, cause she downstairs already. Cause she's gonna take me to go shopping for my apartment. So I'm gonna see y'all when we get to Wally World. Y'all, I done came in here and got some. Bro, this looks so fresh. Like, I think Texas fruit is fresher than the fruit we be getting. I don't care, bro. I'm going crazy. I'm getting, yep. And I got me some Snapples. Just got some snacks, just junk. I don't need to be eating, basically. So, yeah. Y'all, look at this self-checkout. It's so, like, different.
We can walk to this.
Oh, treats.
Cause it's look 2 minutes away.
It is, okay. Jimmy. Yeah. Who not having groceries in their house? Freezer not that flooded, but got me some ice cream. Type. Shh. Yeah. Period.
Oh, they got their logo like Jackson State. They got their logo like Jackson State.
Mario! Yeah.
Little boy goes in.
What happened?
If you say something, that's just my end right there. That's my end. I'm all over.
Hey y'all, we're back at the hotel. Y'all, first of all, we lost. But it's not like, not too much on us because it's not like they just beat us. First of all, they were cheating. Like, I don't mind losing a fair game. But when I see cheating, that's where, like, you're doing too much. Like, pipe down. I'm not going to talk about the game, though. Just know tomorrow is Sunday. Their last game day. We're going to win. Period. We got Jack in the Box. My first time trying Jack in the Box. Y'all, I was so hungry I had to eat it in the car. But I was like, I'm going to save one chicken tender. This is the box it come in. Anyways. Jack in the Box. So I got really interrupted. I'm gonna say one tender so I can tell y'all how it tastes. So it look like. I mean, it's straight. It's not really like. Hey, I got. Zaxby's better. So I give it a 4 out of 10. I really just want to try. I got a piece so bad, but I really want to try. WHATABURGER. WHATABURGER. So hopefully I can try that at the airport. If not, like here or whatever. I gotta pee. Yep. But tomorrow that's when this video gonna end. So I hope you guys like the video so far. If you did, stop what you're doing. Pause. Sign off. And like the video. Period. And comment something. Right now. I'm awake. Okay. Yeah. But I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna go pee and take a shower and get out these clothes and go to sleep. And text my man. Hey y'all. We're gonna leave actually. It's 11:48. August 21st. Today's their last game. So I'll show y'all that when we get there. OOTD. Not too actually. I'm gonna put this around my waist. God bless me.
You got this, girl?
My waist is too hard.
I don't need it. Oh, yes. No, you don't need it. No? You don't need it. You got everything, all the charge.
No, don't get swept.
Right.
Hey, don't get started.
Oh, my camera looks dark.
Oh, you popped it.
I'll put more other
Stop crashing down!
Ain't nobody here in this. We play at 2 song.
Jemiah, come across and read. Come across and read. That's your man, that running back.
I don't even know if y'all can hear me because this man loud as heck. But my brother don't play until 2 something. So yeah. Kenny, mommy. Hi. Y'all, this wind is going crazy. Like, I don't even know if y'all can hear it, but everything blowing. Look at my shirt. This wind is going stupid. Y'all, I paid $12 to get in here today. Yesterday I paid $17. Like, so I didn't look. I looked more like an adult yesterday. Now I look like a child. Like, what? What, Kenny? This wind is out of control. No way the wind is going this crazy. What was we at that one time where the wind was like this? Hey y'all, I'm out here stranded looking crazy per usual. Y'all, I'm taking these braids out when I get home. I don't care what I'm gonna do to my hair. If I don't do nothing to my hair, I'm probably gonna stay home. I'm not gonna look crazy, but y'all, our stuff out here, whatever. Everybody else inside the game. I came out here to get our stuff or whatever, and then we're gonna be on the way to the airport because we gotta leave. And I don't even know if we're gonna make it on our flight, honestly, but we're gonna see. But I just know it's hot. Look crazy. What else was I finna say? Can't remember, but it is 4:46. And matter of fact, I think I'm finna get yatted the second week of September. So y'all stay tuned for that, because y'all know I'm gonna vlog that, of course. I'm gonna get yatted with my twin, Maria. But this might be the end of the vlog, so I'm gonna just end it here. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell their mama. And I'm gonna see y'all on my next video. Y'all, I got WHATABURGER. And they got spicy ketchup. And it's good. But it tastes weird. But not I got a burger. I got a double WHATABURGer. I'm gonna try it. It's so weird. And change announcement for 61. And change announcement for 61. 2162 Birmingham. Gate number 5. 2162 Birmingham. It's good. I'm trying to see what it tastes like, you know? It kind of tastes like Shake Shack burgers.
I'm gonna try to see if I can use chopsticks now.
But yeah, I just wanted to tell y'all that. Okay. Y'all, 10 out of 10. Let's try again.
Okay, bye.